What if living past 100 wasn't about luck or expensive treatments, but about daily habits backed by real science? In 2025, we know more than ever about what actually keeps us alive longer and healthier. From ancient cultures to cutting edge supplements, the science of longevity is exploding. In this video, we're unpacking the real hacks, blue zones, intermittent fasting, cold plunges, supplements like NMN, and even sleep hygiene. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. Let's dive into what science says about living longer in 2025. Let's start with where people live the longest. Blue zones. These are 5 regions around the world where people regularly live to 90 or even 100. And not just that, they're thriving. These places include Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, Nicoya in Costa Rica, Icaria in Greece, and Loma Linda in California. So what are they doing right? They eat mostly whole, plant-based foods, beans, vegetables, and whole grains. They move naturally all day, gardening, walking, cooking. They don't overeat and follow something called the 80% rule, meaning they stop eating when they're 80% full. Social connection is deep. Family and community are everything. And maybe most importantly, they live with purpose. The Okinawans call it ikigai, a reason to wake up each day. A 2023 study published in The Lancet Healthy Longevity linked life purpose with better sleep, lower inflammation, and slower biological aging. So, before you chase biohacks, start with what's time-tested: community, plants, movement, and meaning. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful longevity tools in modern science: intermittent fasting. Fasting isn't just for weight loss, it's for cellular repair. When you go 14 to 16 hours without food, your body kicks into autophagy, a biological process that recycles old, damaged cells. It's like spring cleaning for your body. A 2022 Harvard study found that mice on intermittent fasting lived up to 30% longer. While humans aren't mice, research is promising. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and even boosts brain function. The easiest way to start? Try a 16 to 8 approach. That means you eat all your food within 8 hours and fast for the remaining 16. A black coffee or herbal tea during fasting is fine. But don't break your fast with junk food. Go for nutrient-dense meals, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. Cold therapy isn't just a wellness fad, it's real physiological magic. When you expose yourself to short bursts of cold, your body activates a survival response called hormesis. This mild stress boosts resilience and recovery. Cold plunges and ice baths trigger brown fat activation, which burns energy and helps regulate blood sugar. They also spike dopamine up to 250%, according to a 2024 Cell Metabolism study. That's a natural antidepressant boost, better than most medications. If you're new, start small. Try ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water and gradually work your way up to 2 minutes. Cold exposure also lowers inflammation, improves sleep, and may enhance longevity by stimulating mitochondrial biogenesis, creating new energy-producing cells. You can't supplement your way out of a poor lifestyle, but some compounds are showing serious potential to slow aging. Here are the top ones scientists are watching in 2025. 1. NMN. This compound boosts NAD+ levels in your cells, critical for energy, DNA repair, and cellular health. Harvard's Dr. David Sinclair brought NMN into the spotlight. Human studies show NMN may improve muscle strength, endurance, and insulin sensitivity. 2. Spermidine. Yes, the name is weird, but this naturally occurring compound promotes autophagy. Found in wheat germ, mushrooms, and aged cheese, it's now available in supplement form. It helps clear damaged cells and promote renewal. 3. Astaxanthin, a powerful red antioxidant found in wild salmon and algae. Astaxanthin reduces oxidative stress, a key driver of aging. It's one of the few supplements that crosses the blood-brain barrier and protects your skin and eyes. 4. Basics that still matter. Don't forget magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. These are foundational. Low levels are linked to cardiovascular disease, poor immunity, and even depression. Of course, don't guess test. Get regular blood work and consult a healthcare provider before adding new supplements. You can eat kale, take NMN, and cold plunge daily, but if you're not sleeping well, it's all compromised. Sleep is your body's repair mode. It detoxes your brain, regulates hormones, and resets your immune system. According to a 2024 study in Nature Aging, adults who regularly sleep less than 6 hours per night show accelerated biological aging. They have shorter telomeres, more oxidative stress, and a higher risk of Alzheimer's. Here are science-backed sleep hacks. Stick to a consistent bedtime, even on weekends. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light disrupts melatonin. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, is ideal. Consider natural sleep aids like magnesium glycinate or ashwagandha if needed. And avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of health and longevity. Let's zoom out. Longevity isn't just about hacks, it's about mindset. It's about daily choices made with intention. In 2025, we know aging is not fully fixed, it's flexible. Your lifestyle can switch on and off your genes. This is called epigenetics. You're not just a product of your parents' DNA, you're shaped by sleep, food, stress, movement, and even your thoughts. So let's recap. Eat like the Blue Zone's plants, beans, olive oil. Fast smart, let your body repair itself. Use cold therapy to build resilience. Supplement wisely, especially NMN, spermidine, and antioxidants. Protect your sleep, treat it like medicine, and most importantly, live with purpose. Ikigai, a reason to wake up. Because the truth is, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. More energy, more joy, more clarity, that's real wealth. So, which of these longevity hacks are you most excited to try? Are you already doing any of them? Let us know in the comments, we read everyone. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to live stronger, longer, and smarter in 2025. Living longer isn't luck anymore, it's a choice. And it starts today.